Welcome back to Alternative Class. In this video, we're going to talk about common rules on capitalization. What is capitalization? It is writing of a word with its first letter in capital letter. Here are some rules. Capitalize the first word of a sentence. Example: a gentle rain fell. The chair is broken. Could you please pass me the salt? Notice the first word of each sentence. Next, capitalize the pronoun I. Examples: I have a lot of things to do. Where can I find the library? My friend and I are going to the party. Next, capitalize titles when they are used before names. Examples: the band began playing when President Rivera arrived. Is Dr. Morgan in his office? News reporters ask Senator Meyer questions about the budget. Does Vice Mayor Garcia preside the council meeting? Next, capitalize kinship names when they are used before a name. Example: we're going to Baguio next week to visit Uncle Roberto and Aunt Clara. Capitalize kinship names when they are used to replace the name. Example: I asked Mom to cook adobo for me. Thank you for the gift, Grandma. Next rule: capitalize proper nouns. Examples: the teacher called Kate and Dana. My uncle's car is a Toyota. You can find San Juan Elementary School along Domingo Street. Jack Ma Yun is a Chinese and a co-founder of Alibaba. The conference will be on the last Monday of August. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Next rule: capitalize important main words of titles of compositions such as books, songs, and movies. Examples: Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, The Cask of Amontillado, Journey to the Center of the Earth, To Build a Fire, We Are the World. Tears are not enough.